Hey guys, Cuban here, and today I'm doing some Square One walkthroughs. So recently I went to my competition, SoCal Super Comp, and Neil the Cuber actually got me into this. I saw him doing it and I thought it was pretty cool, so I decided to get back into this a little bit. This is a cube to a Square One with a couple of with Maru and Trax's lube in here, and it turns really good. So let's get into this. Okay, so let's get started here. So I do the seashell and the kite on the bottom, but if I do get a chance to do just the simple 8 edges really quickly, I will. So what I see here is I would actually do the 8 edges for this case to get it back in the cubic form, because first of all I see I have 5 edges and these 2 jumbled down there. So all I have to do is line that up, kick out one edge and pull those up, and then a very simple case to bring 8 edges up there, no algorithm needed. There you go, and simply just split that in half. You do this little case just here like that. Split in half, reconnect. Okay, here we go. So now we're in corner orientation. So you have to get it so that it's a solid color on both sides. So what I like to do here is just kind of quickly experiment to get it back, and there you go, quickly. So half is yellow, half is gray, and the other bottom's the same. So I would just have to reconnect those in there. Let's see, whoops. There you go. Now into edge orientation. You just do a simple algorithm for this. I'm not using any of the algorithms in Sarah Strong or Lars method. I haven't been square one-ing for that long, but I can still solve this case pretty fast. There you go. And then switch it one more time. Okay, so now that I got the edges orientated, now in the corner permutation, this is where I have the hardest part with. So this is my favorite algorithm though. You just go like this. I usually like to take I already solved the bottom, and now I have to switch the layers by doing an algorithm because the bottom layer is complete but not the top. So I would just go like this, switch the layers, and I like to keep the solved corners that are correct at the back of the cube. So then I would just go like that, do it again. I'm pretty decent with partial beginner, partial advanced method with this. So as I can see here, I would have parity as I would see. Unless I can solve this, which I might be able to. I'm just going to go ahead and do this really quick. Okay, so yeah, I do have parity, as I see here. Actually, I do not have parity, so what I would do here is I have 3 at the bottom, none at the top. All I would have to do is just take these out of place, do the algorithm, solve this red, and then I would just have to switch those again. So it's actually not parity, it's actually a very simple case here. There you go. Put those 2 to the back right and just solve that. And there we go. And I solved the Square One. I hope this was a very useful walkthrough for you guys. I'll do a lot more walkthroughs. Next up will be a Megaminx walkthrough. So thanks for watching, everybody, and see you later.